How to get your DMV driving record. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get our DMV driving record. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can get it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to get your DMV driving record, you just need to go over to your DMV browser and or go to the application and just go to my DMV section at the top. You can find that option very easily on your screen. After going there, you just need to enter your email and your password. After that, you just need to enter your email and password and you'll be receiving a verification code. After you have entered your email and password, just tap on login after entering it. After that, you'll be taken to a next page where you need to either select one verification code via text message or call me. You may just select text message if you want SMS version. After that, tap on continue and you need to enter the 6-digit code that you may have received on your phone number. After that, just confirm your phone number, or you may just request a new code if you want to receive it. And on the next page, scroll down a bit until you are able to find request driver's record option. On that page, you just need to go to request driver's record option. After that, just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be able to find start driver's record request at the left side of the screen. You may just read this process if you want and simply click on start driver's record, and here you may just read this information. After that, after reading it, you will just confirm that I am the person whose record is being requested. After that, confirm it, and you just need to tap on continue. Click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next page where you may just include your address if you want, but that is optional option. So if you don't want it, you may just click no, I don't, and tap on continue. After that, you just need to pay a certain amount, like $2 for one driver request. Add it to cart and choose your payment method, like any of your card, like PayPal, Visa, Express, like that, and choose your payment method. After choosing your payment method, you'll be taken to an next page where you'll be receiving your DL record request. Just view or print your DL record, and that's how you basically get it. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to get your DL record. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.